The first chord, it is here. We put B, D, G. I up, jump like this. And we play B, D, G. Oh, glissando. No, B, D, G. Okay? B, D, G. It is very loud. And B flat, C sharp, and A. You listening this strange sound? Okay, so the first, second chord, the third chord is A, C, and G. You listening? Na na na. And the last one is very loud. I turn my camera, and it is D, C, E. So I use my fourth and 2-1. Okay? So okay? So you don't need to see my face, I think so. You need to see my hand. To play this this part, we put the right hand and put the first chord, so is on D. No, it is on B. On A we have this one. On D we have the third chord. And on the A we have the last chord. Okay? Again. Okay? So if I play the two sentences, the B part, and the good news, it is after that the A part play again. So again the A part. Okay? And for the next part, we will see it is, I give the name B prime, I think it is prime in English, I don't know. And I give this name because the beginning is the same, but the end is changing. And what it is, we put 3 fingers on B, D, A, and we go to the G, A, G, but not down, we up on D. Okay, so it is B, D, A, G, D. One more time. Okay, it is the B prime. And for the B prime, it is the same chord of the B. That means that we play the B, D, G, the B flat, C sharp, and A, the A, C, G, and the D, C, D. Not E, not C, D. So, and, okay, so I show you with 2 hands. Is and the last one is 3. Okay, so it is on B, on A, and on the D we have this one, and the last is alone. Okay, and the next part, it is a C part, and we have two C parts. We have the C and the C prime, and the C, it is very common harp figurings. I said common because it is 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we put 3 fingers on D C B. It is very high because it is the D and C 6 and B 5, and we play D C B C B G. It is the first half part, like this. And the next part, it is on same idea, it is C B A, and we cross over and B A E. Okay? So, and okay. For this part, we have a new chord. So for this part, we have a new chord. We have the first is F A E. It is a seven chord, and we have E G D. Okay, so. And the last, it is a little tips, because the normal chord, it is D, A, F. But we can do this F. So we will play this one. So it is D, A, F, down. D, A, F. And on the last chord, it is the same. It is C, A, G. Okay? So. So, how it's work? It is same idea. On the first note, on D, we have this one, F, A, C, F, A, E. And on the last two notes, C, B, G, we have the E, G, D. Again. And on the C, we have the D, A, F. And on the B, A, E, we have the same idea on C, A, G.